Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve from AQA A-Level Maths proof by contradiction algebraic proofs, the most 5 drop exam questions. So, question number 1 is proof by contradiction that if n square is even, then n is even. So we will have to prove this by contradiction. First of all, we will solve this as by write down the contradiction assumption. We assume there exists an integer n such that n square is even. But n is odd. So notice what happens here. We kept the condition about n square being even, but we flipped the conclusion. Now if n is an odd integer, how do we write it algebraically? So we will write this as n equals 2k plus 1 and the n square is 2k plus 1 and the 2k plus 1. By solving this, we get 2 times of 2k square, or first of all multiply this. So 2k into 2k plus 1 and plus 1 into 2k plus 1. We get 4k square plus 2k plus 2k plus 1. Then we will write 4k square plus 4k plus 1. Take 2k as common. Remaining is, or we can take 2k 2 as common from this. So 2k plus 2 and plus 1. So this is again an odd integer. So we can see that this is again an odd integer. So we will conclude that if n is square, we will write if n square is even, then n must be even. So this is the solution. Now we will do the question number 2. Question number 2 is prove by contradiction that root 3 is irrational. So how we will solve this? First of all, we will consider root 3 is considered as rational, and in the start write let root 3 is rational. It's mean root 3 equals a by b, and condition is a b both are integers and b cannot be equal 0. So this is a fraction in the simplest form with no common factors. We have to solve this, that root 3 is irrational. For this purpose, we have assumed this, that root 3 is rational. Now we will take the square of this. We get a square by b square. So we have a square equals 3 of b square. Now you can see a square is multiple of 3. A square is multiple of 3, so a is also multiple of 3. So we have 3 equals a square over b square. Let's suppose a equals 3k, k belongs to z. So we have 3 equals a square over b square. That means in place of a we will write 9k square divided by b square. So which gives us 3b square equals 9k square. B square equals 3k square. Since b square is multiple of 3, b square is multiple of 3, which implies b is also multiple of 3. B is also multiple of 3. So we will say that this is also the multiple of 3. When both are multiple of 3, we get that a and b share some common factor. We will say that both a and b have common factor is 3. But in the start we have considered both are in the simplest form, so we will write that root 3 is irrational. Now we will solve the next question. Now question number 3 is prove by contradiction that there are no positive integers x and y such that x square minus y square equals 1. Assume that there exists an integer x and y such that x square, assume x square minus y square equals 1, and condition is that x and y belongs to z positive. Both are positive integers. So we can see that we want to prove that there are no absolutely positive integers such that x square minus y square equal 1. Now you can look x square minus y square, so that should difference of two squares. So difference of two square is x minus y into x plus y, that equals 1. Now there are two cases, x minus 1 equals 1 and x plus y equals 1, or x minus y equals minus 1 and x plus y equals minus 1. This is the case 1 and this is the case 2. You can see that first of all we will add both of them. This implies 2x equal 2 and x equals 1. When x is 1, y is 0. From this we have 2x equals minus 2, which implies x equal minus 1 and y equals 0. So we will get the order pair of this, but we say that x and y both are positive, but y equals 0 is directly violates the initial assumption. So this is the solution, no positive integer x and y such that x square minus y square equals 1. Now we will do the next part. In the next question, we will solve this as question is prove by contradiction that the sum of rational and irrational is always irrational. Now before we wrap out, we can see that let's consider R equals A by B. So R plus iota, that equals X. So X is rational. So we can see that X is rational like C by D. Rearrange for iota. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem, AQA A-Levels, IGCSE, GCSE and many others mathematical solution. Keep learning, keep growing. Watch you in the next video. Stay tuned.